Good afternoon, I'm Joe Ambrosia in Elizabeth, Illinois, and you can see behind me, we set up a ground mount solar installation through Stateline Solar. We did this last December is when we turned it on in 2019, and since then it's worked flawlessly. We decided to go solar. We decided to go solar, number one, because of the incentives that were involved. We had the SREC credits and we had the 30% federal tax credits involved. So it penciled out well as an investment as well as being environmentally conscious. I anticipate running the numbers based on power figures back in 2019, what I was paying for power at that time. I figured just under a 4-year payback on my investment in the solar system that we put in. Our solar provider is Joe Carroll in Joe Davis County here in Elizabeth, and they were promoting it as well. I've been to a few meetings that they had, and then so they're on board heavily with it and trying to promote solar throughout the area, and there has been quite an explosion of solar installations in our area. We did get bids from other companies, and I will tell you that Stateline Solar is the easiest to work with, and they're very professional, they're very friendly, plus the main thing is they handled it turnkey. I just said, yes, let's do it. Next thing I know, they said, you can turn it on now, and that was it. So if you'd like to visit our installation sometime, you can line that up through Stateline Solar or directly through me, and by all means let someone see what we've got here. Other than that, let the sun keep shining.